In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your age on Steam. If you've ever hit an age gate in the Steam store and need to correct the date Steam uses to verify you, this walkthrough will show you how it works on both desktop and mobile. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer or your phone. If you don't have it yet, grab the official installer from Steam's website so you're working with the genuine app. Once it's open, head to the top right and choose Login, then sign in with your Steam account. Be sure you're on the official app or site before entering your credentials. After you're signed in, go to the Steam store. The age prompt only appears on store pages, not in your library, so this is the place to make the change. Use the search bar to find any game or video that's age restricted. You'll know you picked the right one when Steam asks you to verify your age. When the age check appears, you'll see drop-down boxes for month, day, and year. This is where you update your birth date for Steam's verification. Select the appropriate month and day, and adjust the year to reflect your correct birth year. If you're 18 or older and need access to mature content, make sure your selection accurately reflects that so the store can show you restricted pages. Confirm your selection to continue. From here, Steam uses the updated birth date for age verification as you browse. Keep in mind that Steam does not permanently store your full birth date for the store's age gate. It remembers what you entered temporarily to streamline your session, then may ask again later for legal and compliance reasons. If you run into any issues, or you click the wrong year by mistake, there's an easy reset. Sign out of your account, then navigate back to an age-restricted store page. The verification form will pop up again, and you can re-enter the correct date. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.